imagine? PICA identified more than 700 cases of document fraud over the last 5 years.
People just love to try and beat the system. I guess some persons don't care about the saying honesty is the best policy.
Well, I can tell you, if they choose to be dishonest, they won't get away with it. PICA now has a document forensic lab, and this was officially opened on Thursday, August 19.
That's some good news. Well, you know, the lab was actually funded by the British High Commission at a cost of 22 million Jamaican dollars.
That's a lot of money.
Isn't it? The team from immigration, customer service, investigation and surveillance, and citizenship can now use the technology to detect any fraudulent document presented to them by an applicant or a customer. You know, criminals are getting smarter, so we really have to be ahead of them.
You know, you're right. We need to be on top of things. And that is what our CEO, Mr. Andrew Winter, meant when he said this.
Disorganized law enforcement cannot fight organized crime. This document forensic lab is the first of its kind in Jamaica, and I dare say in the English-speaking Caribbean. These are the kind of steps that we need to take as we strengthen our remit across borders to enforce immigration laws, and we look forward to the continued hard work and development and the deepening of the relationship as we build out to strengthen our cooperation together.
You know, I really like when Mr. Winter said, disorganized law enforcement cannot fight organized crime. We have to be organized to outsmart the fraudsters. Now, in speaking about the new lab, Mr. Asif Hamad, who is the British High Commissioner to Jamaica, explained quite well why this technology is so important.
We have a long history of working with the Government of Jamaica and its agencies to help make improvements as they develop and expand their facilities. And on the immigration side, we have a long-standing connection with the Passport, Immigration and Citizenship Agency. And today we are embarking on a brand new project that is to complete the new forensic laboratory facility that PICA will have. Now, why is this important? It is because identity theft is something that harms everybody, and if someone steals your name, they can pretend to be you. You want desirable people to be in Jamaica, and conversely, we in the UK want people who are verified and bona fide travellers to the UK. So what this will enable immigration officers to do with the requisite training is to identify where documents are fraudulent. Criminals use these networks to do their work internationally, so this is a fight against international crime too. 20 million Jamaican dollars is being spent on this project as a whole, and I'm pretty sure that as a result of this, we'll see better collaboration between Jamaica and the UK, and safer travel and identity protection for every Jamaican.
This is a big deal. And you know, kudos must go out to the Projects and Enterprise Risk Management Unit for spearheading such a worthy effort. Let's hear what the director for the unit, Mrs. Amy Johnson Lynch, had to say on the project.
The establishment of a document forensic lab at the West Kings House Road office and later on at the Norman Manley International Airport and Sangsters International Airport is a significant investment for PICA and by extension the government of Jamaica. It demonstrates PICA's commitment to the integrity of its identity management systems and processes. This lab will enhance the ability of investigation, immigration, passport, citizenship, customer service officers to identify in a scientific way identity documents that are suspected of being tampered with or counterfeit. It is anticipated that this tool will improve decision making on the front line. It will improve on the agency's case file preparation and the presentation of evidence before the courts. The Projects and Enterprise Risk Management Unit is very happy to have been a part of this process and to work with various teams in the business development unit, finance, ICT, HR, admin, procurement, immigration, citizenship, passport, customer service, ISU, and the CEO's office to make this phase a reality. The project team was led by Latoya Morrisdale, who worked assiduously to ensure that the needs, the stakeholder needs, the project needs, and the objective of the projects was met. I'm happy to be a part of the team, and on behalf of the team, again, I thank you for the efforts that have been put on board, the efforts that were extended to ensure that this became a reality. We look forward to phase 2, which is the retrofitting or the outfitting of the Norman Manley International Airport and Sangster International Airport mini labs, and we hope and expect to finish stronger than we did with the Document Forensic Lab at the West Kings House Road. Again, together we achieve more.
You know, Angela, I'm really happy to see the agency using technology to secure and safeguard the integrity of our systems. We recently introduced the facial recognition system, and now we have a Document Forensic Lab, brand spanking new. This fits well with our mission of securing our borders through the use of innovative technology and qualified and trained staff. It also matches PICA's strategic objective to enhance border security via investigation, surveillance, and strategic partnership. And also, we must say a big thank you to the British High Commission for partnering with us to implement this project and to achieve this objective. Thanks as well to our CEO, Mr. Andrew Winter, for his vision and leadership. A special thanks as well to the Projects and Enterprise Risk Management team. And finally, thanks to all the other units within the agency and persons who provided much needed support to make this project a reality. We could not have achieved this without teamwork.
Well said, Krishna. I could not have said it any better. Teamwork makes the dream work. Anyway, folks, that's all we have time for today, but we will be back here again to do it all over in quarter 3. At that time, we'll highlight another interesting development taking place within the agency. Until then, I'm Angela Hamilton.
And I'm Krishna Benjamin.
Have a good day, and please remember to stay safe and observe the COVID-19 protocols. Bye.
Bye.